Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the TASC app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. TASC is an iPhone app designed to help users organize tasks, manage projects, and track productivity efficiently. The app integrates features like to-do lists, reminders, priority tagging, collaborative task sharing, and progress tracking in one platform. It also supports push notifications, calendar integration, and custom labels to streamline task management. Users can create personal or team projects, assign tasks, and monitor completion with visual dashboards. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Users appreciate TASC for its intuitive interface, smooth navigation, and clear organization features. The app is helpful for individuals and teams looking to plan daily tasks, manage projects, or keep track of deadlines. Many users also enjoy the ability to sync tasks across multiple devices and collaborate in real time with colleagues or family members. Still, the app isn't without its downsides. Full access to advanced features may require a subscription, and some users report occasional syncing delays or notification issues. Additionally, customization options for certain views and workflows can feel limited compared to more complex project management tools. If you're finding this helpful so far, hit that like button. It really supports the channel. In summary, the TASC app may be worth using if you're looking for a clean, mobile-friendly task and project management solution for iPhone. It excels in convenience, collaboration, and basic productivity tracking. However, if you need highly advanced project management features or entirely free functionality, it might not fully meet your needs. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.